Preparing for ACCA while working full-time isn't easy. You come home tired, sometimes late, and all you want is to rest. Weekends slip away in home duty, family time, or just trying to catch a break. And in between all of that, finding time to study feels almost impossible. But the truth is, you don't need to quit your job or give up your weekends completely. You just need a plan that fits your lifestyle, not one that burns you out. And hey, if you're still watching this video instead of procrastinating, that's already progress. Balancing a full-time job with ACCA preparation isn't about cramming, it's about rhythm. You don't need endless hours, you just need consistency. The goal is simple: study smart during the week, apply it on the weekend, and keep moving forward. During the weekdays, aim for 1 or 2 focused hours of study, ideally when your mind is clear, early mornings or late evenings. Focus on one topic per session and go deep rather than spreading yourself thin as you begin your foundation papers, business and technology, financial accounting, and management accounting. Remember that knowledge level papers are exempt for BBA and BCom graduates. Use this to your advantage by skipping what you already know and focusing your time on ACCA specific concepts, practical applications, and exam style practice. In business and technology, focus on refreshing key concepts around how organizations function, how decision-making flows, and how accounting supports strategic goals. Instead of revisiting basic management theory, devote your weekday plan to ACCA-specific areas such as governance, ethics, information systems, and business structures. Keep your notes concise, no more than 1 page per topic, and review them for 10 minutes before sleeping to strengthen your memory. During your commute or free moments, listen to short revision audios or business podcasts to make use of idle time. End each weekday session by writing one question you could not answer perfectly and begin your next session by solving it. In financial accounting, focus on applying essential concepts of double entry, trial balances, and preparation of financial statements with more emphasis on practice than theory recap. Since you already have a foundation, spend your weekday sessions solving 2 or 3 short questions daily to build precision and speed. Keep summary notes of key accounting rules and worked examples to revisit regularly. Now, each evening, review one concept or question that challenged you earlier in the week. By the end of the week, you should feel comfortable preparing a complete set of financial statements from raw figures. For management accounting, focus on ACCA exam-driven areas like cost techniques, budgeting, and performance analysis. Study one concept daily, such as marginal costing or absorption costing or flexible budgeting, and reinforce it with quick drills instead of theory revision. You can keep your notes brief and focused so they're easy to review before tests or exams. By the weekend, you should be able to apply the costing and budgeting techniques you studied to practical problem-solving scenarios. Weekends are where genuine progress happens. On Saturday, spend 3 to 4 hours revising the topics you covered during the week. Review notes, update your formula and concept sheets, and attempt short mock tests on each subject to measure your understanding. Identify weak areas and mark them for deeper review. On Sunday, dedicate 4 to 5 hours to full exam-style practice. Attempt scenario-based questions for business and technology, prepare full financial statements for financial accounting, and solve costing or variance questions for management accounting. Review your mistakes immediately and update your list of weak points. Studying early on Sunday morning is ideal as your mind is completely fresh and it sets a productive tone for the coming week. As you move into the next stage, begin combining theory-based and technical papers. You should pair corporate and business law with either performance management or taxation. Study corporate and business law on alternate weekdays, focusing on understanding the underlying principles rather than rote memorization. On the remaining weekdays, work on 3 to 4 numerical questions for performance management or taxation. Keep Fridays lighter by watching a short revision video or attempting a quick recap quiz. You can use Saturdays for conceptual review of corporate and business law and Sundays for full question practice in performance management or taxation. This balance ensures steady progress across both theoretical and numerical areas. When you progress to the technical trio, which is financial reporting, financial management, and audit and assurance, your focus should shift towards depth and repetition. During the week, study one concept at a time. For example, an international financial reporting standard, or a financial ratio, or an audit risk topic. Limit each session to about 90 minutes and end with 2 or 3 short questions to test your understanding. On weekends, simulate exam conditions by attempting complete sections, reviewing your answers, and identifying areas that need reinforcement. Recording short audio notes of key principles and listening to them during commutes can strengthen recall through constant exposure. At the strategic level, the goal transitions from knowledge to professional judgment. For strategic business leaders and strategic business reporting, dedicate weekday sessions to understanding frameworks, governance, ethics, and reporting standards. Use weekends to complete full mock simulations and timed practice sessions to build exam technique and stamina. For advanced technical papers such as advanced financial management, advanced performance management, advanced taxation, and advanced audit and assurance, spend weekdays reviewing core concepts and spend weekends solving comprehensive case-based mock papers. Apply the 50:10 method, which is 50 minutes of focused study followed by a 10-minute break to maintain concentration and avoiding burnout. Begin your ethics and professional skills module very early, ideally while studying your applied skills papers. This module strengthens professional judgment, communication, and analytical thinking skills that enhance both exam performance and real-world decision making. At the same time, you can align your practical work experience with the practical experience requirement so your studies and job reinforce each other. Integrating learning with real experience not only deepens understanding, but obviously it also builds the mindset of a well-rounded professional accountant. Now that you're ready to take the next step in your accounting journey, why not do it with the best? At Demodicus Learning, our ACCA students' pass rate is a staggering 78%. That's 50% better than the industry average. Not only this, our ACCA preparation program in collaboration with KPMG in India provides you with industry-aligned training through real-world scenarios, making you stand out from the rest of the ACCA qualified professionals. If you're serious about transforming your future, click the link in the description below. Our expert counselors are ready to guide you every step of the way.